In this video, I will show you how to install Flix IPTV on Samsung Smart TV. So installing it is actually just the same as installing other applications on your Samsung TV. So what you can do is you just need to head over and then log in into your Samsung account to download apps onto your Smart TV. Once you have logged into that, you can just press your home button onto your remote control, then select the apps from the list. After that, click onto the search icon and enter the app that you want to download and select it. In this case, just head over and select the Flix IPTV, and then from in there, you should be able to see the details about the app as well as screenshots and related apps. From in there, click onto this install button, and then after you have installed it, you can press the home button, and then you can see that application that's already been installed onto your actual Samsung Smart TV. So that's just as easy as that. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below on the comment section and we'll try our best to answer. Thank you so much for watching.